let's clarify the confusion that you guys have with this application. So, to be very clear, let's do the frequently asked questions, which is, I'm applying for indefinite leave to remain. Can I apply for the fee waiver? Can I be exempt from paying the indefinite leave to remain immigration fees? The answer to that question is no, because it is specifically in the guidance. If you look at the guidance for the fee waiver application, there are some applications there that specifically said you cannot get a fee waiver. If you are applying for indefinite leave to remain, forget about the fee waiver. You have to pay for the immigration fees. Next, I am applying for a skilled worker visa. Can I apply for a fee waiver? The answer to the question is no, you cannot. Applying and being successful are two different things. So can you apply? Yes, you can submit the application if you're being stubborn and if you think that the Home Office should consider that you can't afford for your immigration fees to renew your skilled worker visa. You can submit the application, but that would be so dangerous and it would be so serious if you overstay because you were relying on the fee waiver application decision. Because if your visa has already expired and you're claiming that, well, I couldn't renew my visa because I was waiting for a fee waiver decision, it's not an excuse, because a fee waiver only applies to human rights applications, okay? And skilled worker visa application is not human rights. The same as indefinite leave to remain application is not a human rights based application. So if your visa has already expired, then it's so dangerous. Please just borrow money and submit your application on time, because it would affect your indefinite leave to remain later on, and it would really complicate your immigration history, immigration case, if you go over the expiry date. So no. The third one is, I am applying for naturalization to become British citizen. I am over 18 years old. Can I apply for fee waiver? Can I be exempt from paying the immigration fees? And the answer to that question is no, you cannot. So again, you can apply, you can submit, but the Home Office will say no. Only if you're applying to become British, register as British. If you are under 18, you can submit your application and be considered as exempt from the fees. And of course, if you're saying that I am a student and I want to renew my student visa, for example, can I apply for fee waiver? Again, the answer is no. And I will explain why you cannot. And we are going to go through the guidance so that it's very clear for those people considering applying for fee waiver who are going to be successful and who are not. And if you're going to be stubborn, even though the guidance said no, you cannot apply, and you still submit, and then your visa has already expired before the application has been decided. So even though in normal circumstances, and if you're covered under the fee waiver application, even though your visa has already expired and you're waiting for it, it continues. Your leave to remain continues. There's no gap. But that only applies if you are covered under the guidance. Okay, so we are going to look at the guidance. So stay tuned.